In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to empty documents from the trash in Coda. Coda is an all-in-one collaborative workspace platform that's excellent for managing documents, projects, and teamwork. Maybe you've cleared out some clutter and want to make room or ensure deleted items are gone for good. Let's take a thorough look at how this process works. First, we'll need to navigate to Coda by opening up your preferred web browser and entering Coda's URL. Once the page loads, you'll be greeted by the familiar interface. Right on the home page, you'll see a button labeled Get Started. Go ahead and click on that to begin. Next, if you haven't signed in before, you might need to authenticate your account. For convenience, Coda provides the option to log in using your Google account, which helps streamline the process. So go ahead and click on Google when prompted. After selecting Google, you'll be directed to a page where you can choose your Google account. This step helps ensure that you're entering a secure workspace. Once you've selected your account and logged in, we'll be taken directly to our Coda workspace environment. Now we're getting closer to our goal. Once you're in your personal workspace, look to the left-hand side of the interface. Here's where you'll see different folders and options for managing your documents. Among these options will be one labeled Deleted. Click on the Deleted option. This area functions as the trash bin for your Coda documents. It's where all the documents you've chosen to delete are stashed away. Coda has an automated feature where it keeps documents in the trash for 7 days before permanently deleting them. This allows for easy retrieval in case you accidentally deleted something. However, if you're sure about deleting a document permanently, here's how you can do it. Within the Deleted Items view, you'll notice each document has a small icon with 3 dots, usually referred to as the More Options menu. Clicking this will reveal an option to restore any document if you need to, but for our purpose, you also see the settings regarding your workspace's trash. Now, if you're managing multiple projects or workspaces, you might also have Samples workspace to manage. Again, select this workspace and repeat the steps to view the deleted folders and ensure your trash is empty. Remember, keeping a clean workspace isn't just about deleting files. It's about ensuring important documents are secure and unnecessary ones are permanently purged when needed. This helps keep your environment tidy and the content relevant. I hope this step-by-step guide has made the process clear and manageable for you. Happy tidying!